At COP26 in Glasgow, Scotland, the OECS Commission's delegation engaged in several initiatives to advance climate change mitigation and environmental sustainability in the Caribbean, and ultimately to improve the quality of life for OECS citizens. A memorandum of understanding was signed with the International Conservation Caucus Foundation, or ICDF group, headquartered in Washington, D.C., to further cooperation on natural resource governance and conservation issues.
I want to thank you very much for the invitation to be here and to pledge the continued effort and support of the OECS in making hope possible rather than despair convincing. Thank you.
OECS Director General Dr. Jules engaged in a high-level meeting with the ICCF group chaired by Theo Clark, UK Member of Parliament, and attended by representatives from Brazil, Malawi, and the United States, among others, to discuss nature-based solutions to climate change.
Nature-based solutions really is a way of harnessing the power of the universe to re-establish its own equilibrium. And I think that is the core thing, that the message that has to be brought across, particularly to policymakers.
Dr. Jules engaged in another meeting hosted by the ICCF, chaired by UK Member of Parliament Barry Gardner, with a delegation from the United States, in which was discussed approaches to dealing with climate change. A significant milestone for the OECS at COP26 was becoming a signatory to the GLASGOW Declaration on Climate Action Tourism. This declaration unites travel and tourism behind a common set of pathways for climate action, aligning the sector with the global commitments and catalyzing collaborative solutions to the many challenges facing businesses and destinations globally. Several other meetings were held to affirm partnerships and to express gratitude. One such meeting was held with the OECS Director General Dr. Jules and the Director General of the Global Green Growth Institute, who reaffirmed GGI's commitment to the OECS. Dr. Jules met with a representative from the German Federal Ministry of Economic Cooperation and Development, BMZ, the shareholder of GIZ, and expressed thanks for their partnership, commitment, and support to the OECS member states in addressing the effects of climate change. The OECS and St. Lucia's Sustainable Development and Environment Division, in partnership with the Taiwan International Cooperation and Development Fund, ICDF, hosted a COP26 side event featuring the Eastern Caribbean Solar Challenge. The event was titled Race to the Sun: Accelerating the Diffusion of Solar in Small Islands. Featured at COP26 was the Ready Together project, a €6.6 million project which is designed to strengthen the emergency preparedness and response capacities of the Caribbean territories. The OECS Director General also profited the opportunity to meet with various ministers of government from the OECS member states. He also met with OECS youth representatives attending the conference. The OECS Commission remains resolute and committed to working with both regional and global partners to deal with climate change and to mitigate its effects in the region.